Honorable Election Commission of India has announced the third phase of special intensive revision for the remaining state and UTs of the country. Accordingly, Meghalaya is also covered in this phase of SIR, and the date concerned with the SIR exercise in Meghalaya or the qualifying date of SIR in state will be 1st October 2026. For the preparation, training and printing of enumeration forms etc., the timeline is from 20th June to 29th of June. House to house visit by BLOs, the schedule will be from 30th June 2026 to 29th July 2026. And rationalization of polling station will happen on that last day by 29th July 2026. And draft roll will be published on the 5th August, and period for filing of claim and objection will be from 5th August 2026 to 4th September 2026. And notice phase including disposal of claim and objection will continue from the 5th August 2026 till 3rd October 2026, and final roll will be published after completion of the exercise on the 7th October 2026. So this is the detailed schedule, and accordingly the necessary preparatory exercise already been taken up earlier as per the instruction of Honorable Election Commission of India, and state of Meghalaya is ready for the conduct of special intensive revision in our state as per the schedule provided by Honorable Commission. And we had a round of discussion and meeting with all political parties of the state, schedule and the needful procedure of SIR has already been briefed, and all the queries, concern raised by political parties, that is also been addressed. We requested them for appointment of the booth level agents from their end, and we are expecting positive response from the political parties, because booth level agents are also very much important stakeholder at the grassroots level to work in each part polling station along with the BLOs, so to maintain the transparency, and we are fully committed to keep this entire SIR exercise transparent, free, fair, and make our electoral roll healthy and error-free.
What are the documents needed to prove that when somebody comes for SIR?
Basically, there will be the enumeration phase. So in the enumeration phase, the house listing operation, no additional document will be required. But there are the 4 categories of the voters. If we see ki electors whose names are registered in the voter list of 2005, so such electors are required to upload, submit only the relevant part of the extract of that year's voter list along with the enumeration form. And the another category whose names are not found in the 2005 voter list and who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So such electors are required to upload, submit only self document along with the enumeration form. One of the self document, there are that 11 such document already the list been provided by Election Commission of India. So